In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use FreshBooks to manage your team and your business effectively in 2025. First, you'll want to head over to the FreshBooks website to kickstart your management journey. You'll see different plan options available: Light, Plus, Premium, or Select. Choose the one that best fits your business needs. After selecting your plan, you'll need to complete your business profile. This involves entering essential information such as your name, your business name, industry, location, and contact details. This step is crucial as it personalizes your FreshBooks account to your specific business environment. Once your account is set up, it's time to add your services. Navigate to Items and Services, where you can list all the products or services your business offers. This setup is vital because it enables you to use these items in future invoices and projects seamlessly. It's also a great idea to activate online payments at this stage. You can connect FreshBooks to your bank account or payment gateways like PayPal and Stripe. This integration allows you to receive payments directly, making your financial management far smoother. Next, let's talk about inviting and managing your team. In your account, you'll find an option to invite team members. Simply provide their first name and email address to get them on board. Assigning roles is the next big move. Each team member can be assigned a role, whether it's admin, manager, employee, contractor, or accountant. Assigning roles is crucial as it determines their access level and permissions within FreshBooks. For team members you're not ready to assign a role to yet, you can add them as unassigned at no additional cost. This way, you keep their information in your system for future reference. Now, managing projects and tracking time, an essential part of any business. You can create new projects, choosing whether they're fixed price or hourly. It's important to add team members and define details like the project name, description, and rates. FreshBooks offers a built-in timer which you can use to track time as you work. Alternatively, if you prefer, you can log time manually for specific clients and services. An added bonus is the Chrome Time Tracker extension, which can enhance your time tracking efficiency. Reviewing project profitability is a key feature in FreshBooks, allowing you a clear view of how much money your projects are making. Lastly, don't forget to manage other essential business functions using FreshBooks. Tracking your expenses and categorizing them will keep your bookkeeping accurate. Use the Create New button to generate invoices quickly for your clients. If you're often on the go, the FreshBooks mobile app, available for both iOS and Android, will come in handy to access and manage your business data anytime, anywhere. With these steps, you're all set to leverage FreshBooks to its full potential, enhancing your business and team management.